evening, everyone, and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today, I will show you how to create these whimsical snowflakes. You can use them as backdrop, just like in our winter story time. You can hang them from the ceiling, and another idea is to decorate your windows. Endless ways to display these whimsical snowflakes. Now, let's get started. The supplies you will need are 6 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, a pair of scissors, a stapler, and some tape. Hey guys, once you've selected your sheets of paper, now remember you'll need a total of 6 8.5 by 11 to make a big snowflake. Go ahead and grab your first sheet of paper and bring the top corner to the bottom. We are trying to achieve a square cutout of this sheet of paper. So go ahead and cut that side off, so that rectangle shape, go ahead and cut it off. Just like this. Now, go ahead and flip your sheet of paper so the triangle point faces upward. And then you're going to bring your right side and connect it to your left. Just like this. And crease it right through the middle like this. All right. Now the easiest way to, our next step is to cut lines in here, and the easiest way for you to remember how to do that, if you look at your triangle, you have some openings here and openings on this side also, but there is one side that doesn't have any openings. So it's easier to just hold it with the side that doesn't have any openings to the bottom. You're going to grab your scissors and you're just going to cut it all the way through up to here. Just make sure you don't cut it all the way through. And then do that 3 times. So there and right there. Okay, just make sure you don't go all the way through. And then our next step is to open it all the way up. Just like this. And so now you have like a diamond shape on there. And what we're going to do is you're going to bring the 2 corners here and connect them just like this. And you're going to just tape it down like so. All right, so we're going to do that all the way through these lines, just connecting them together, but you're going to alternate them. So as soon as you get that middle portion done, go ahead and flip it over, and you're going to connect these next 2 points together like this. Now remember, alternating, so flip it over, do the next set, and at the end we're going to flip it over and finalize this portion here. Whoop. Okay, so you're going to do this same thing throughout all of your sheets of paper. And once you have all of your 6 pieces, let me show you how you connect it. I'm just going to bring 2 into the shot here. The bottom of the points here, you're just going to connect them. So align them together. Make sure they're all parallel. Bring your stapler and just staple that together. Bring another little portion of that snowflake and staple it together. So you're going to do this all the way through. Okay, use all of your pieces and just connect them together. Pretty fun, right? I know they look very complicated, but truly they're just really easy to make. And you can actually also use like alternating colors of different, color of paper. At the end, you can add some glitter. Just make it fun. Let me do this last one. Okay, so this last one, you're just gonna tuck the this side over here. Just hold it like this, and you're just gonna align that just right there, like this, and bring your staple in and staple that together like this. Okay. Now you want to be able to make sure your snowflake is a little bit secured. So what we're going to do is bring these 2 pieces here together And you can just run a simple little piece of tape right through it so it stays into place. Okay? And you're just going to connect all those all the way around to have your snowflake. Okay? I did want to show you another one that I did. I did use smaller sheets of paper. So what I did is use the smaller squares sheet of paper, and I did alternating colors just like this. So something to remember is the bigger the square of sheet of paper that you're using, the bigger the snowflake will be. The smaller of the squares of sheets of paper you're using, the smaller and cute the snowflake will be. All right, guys, so have fun, and there is your origami whimsical snowflake. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next week for more origami fun. Bye.